Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys display and brightness setting in our Tecno mobile. So in this video friends we will talk about guys how to enable auto brightness. Friends, you want to enable your auto brightness mode in your Tecno phone and guys you don't know how to enable it. So guys, how can you enable? Don't worry friends, in this video I will show you how can you enable your and guys how to enable auto brightness. So open your phone setting and scroll it. Sorry friends. Guys, click on guys your display and brightness setting. Guys, click on your adaptive brightness setting. Guys, we call it guys auto brightness. So once you want to enable, so guys you can see this icon. So guys tap here to enable. After enable guys, your screen color will like your screen brightness will like decrease automatic like that. So you can enable guys your adaptive brightness in your Tecno phone, and guys your brightness will increase and decrease automatically when you will go outside, when you will come inside. So your brightness increase and decrease automatic, as you can see. So like that guys, you can enable your auto brightness in your Tecno phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye friends.